Hello friends, welcome back to Gyan Exploration. Today we will do question number 6 from exercise 2.5. So here our question number 6 is write the following cubes in expanded form. In this question we have to write the cubes in expanded form. So here our first part is 2x plus 1 whole cube. Now we will start the solution. So we know that a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. As we are seeing here 2x plus 1 whole cube. So we have used a plus b whole cube. Now here a is equals to 2x because we are seeing a plus b and here a plus b. So a is equals to 2x will come and b is equals to 1. b is equals to 1. Now we will put the values of a and b in this whole formula. So here 2x plus 1 whole cube is equals to a cube. In place of a cube 2x whole cube will come plus 1 whole cube, that means b cube, plus 3 into ab, that means 3 into 2x into 1 into 2x plus 1, a plus b. Here 8x cube will come because this is the cube of 2x plus 1, this is the cube of 1 plus 6x. Now we will multiply 3 into 2x into 1, then 6x will come. 2x plus 1 will remain same. Now 8x cube as it is plus 1 as it is plus 12x square. That means we are multiplying 6x into 2x. Then 12x square will come. Now we are multiplying 6x into 1, that means 6x will come. Now we will arrange 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1. So this is the expanded form of 2x plus 1 whole cube. So this is the final answer of the first part. Now we will move on the second part of this question. So here we have given 2a minus 3b whole cube. Now we will start the solution. So here we are seeing 2a minus 3b whole cube. So we know that a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. a minus b and 2a minus 3b. So here a is equals to 2a and b is equals to 3b. Now we will put the values of a and b in this whole formula. So here 2a minus 3b whole cube is equals to 2a cube. In place of a cube 2a cube will come minus b cube. In place of b cube 3b whole cube will come minus 3 into 2a into 3b. 3 into a into b into 2a minus 3b, that means a minus b. Now 8a cube minus 27b whole cube because this is the cube of 3b minus 18ab because we have multiplied 3 into 2a 6a into 3b, that means 18ab, and 2a minus 3b will remain same. Now 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 36a square b because we have multiplied 18ab into 2a, then minus 36a square b will come plus minus minus, that means plus 18 into 18ab into 3b, that means 54ab square will come. So this is the expanded form of 2a minus 3b whole cube. So this is the final answer of the second part. Now we will move on the third part of this question. 3x upon 2 plus 1 whole cube. Now we will start the solution. We know that a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Why we are using this formula? Because here we are seeing 3x upon 2 plus 1 whole cube. So we have used the formula of a plus b whole cube. Here we are seeing a is equals to 3x upon 2, same here, and b is equals to 1. Now we will put the values of a and b in this whole formula. So 3x upon 2 plus 1 whole cube is equals to 3x upon 2 whole cube is equals to 3x upon 2 whole cube plus 1 whole cube plus 3ab. That means 3 into 3x upon 2 multiply 1. That means 3ab multiply 3x upon 2 plus 1. That means a plus b. Now here 3x upon 2 whole cube, that means 27x cube divided by 8 plus 1 whole cube, that means 1 will come, plus 9x upon 2. 3 into 3x, that means 9x divided by 2 into 1. 9x upon 2 will come. Now 3x upon 2 plus 1 will remain same. Now 27x cube upon 8 plus 1 plus 27x square upon 4. Because we have multiplied 9x into 3x, then 27x square will come, then 2 into 2, then upon 4 will come. So here 27x square upon 4 will come. Now we have multiplied 9x upon 2 into 1. So 9x upon 2 will come. So 27x cube upon 8 plus 27x square upon 4 plus 9x upon 2 plus 1. This is the expanded form of this part. So this is the final answer of the third part. Now we will move on the fourth part of this question, x minus 2y upon 3 whole cube. According to this question, we will use the formula. So here we have used a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So here we are seeing a is equals to x and b is equals to 2y upon 3. So here we have written a is equals to x and b is equals to 2y upon 3. Now we will put the values of a and b in this whole formula. So here x minus 2y upon 3 whole cube is equals to x cube minus 2y upon 3 whole cube. In place of b cube, 2y upon 3 whole cube will come minus 3ab. That means 3 into x into 2y upon 3 into x minus 2y upon 3 in place of a minus b will come. Now x cube minus 8y cube divided by 27, because this is the whole cube of 2y upon 3 minus 6xy upon 3. 3 into x, 3x into 2y, that means 6xy will come divided by 3 into x minus 2y upon 3 will remain same. Now x cube minus 8y cube divided by 27 minus 6x square y divided by 3, because we have multiplied 6xy divided by 3 into x. So x square will come, 6x square y divided by 3 plus minus minus, that means it is converted into plus. So 6xy, that means 12xy square divided by 3 into 3, that means 9. X cube minus 8y cube divided by 27 minus 2x square y, because we have given the division of 3 into 6. So minus 2x square y plus 4xy square divided by 3, because we have given the division of 3 into 12. So 4xy square divided by 3. So this is the expanded form of this part. So this is the final answer of this part. So friends, if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share it. Thank you.